Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to send Chainlink link from your Phantom wallet to Kucoin in 2025. Whether you're looking to trade, stake, or just manage your crypto better, this step-by-step process will get you there safely and efficiently. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the Phantom Wallet app installed on your device and that it's updated to the latest version for 2025 compatibility. Open the app and unlock your wallet using your password or biometric authentication. Once you're in, navigate to your assets and locate Chainlink link. It should be listed under your tokens. If not, double-check that you've added it properly. Next, you'll need your Kucoin wallet address. Head over to the Kucoin website or app, log into your account, and go to the deposit section. Select Chainlink link from the list of cryptocurrencies. Kucoin will provide you with a unique deposit address. Copy this carefully, as any mistake could lead to lost funds. Now, back in Phantom Wallet, select the Chainlink token you want to send. Hit the Send button, and paste the Kucoin address into the recipient field. Double-check the address to avoid errors. Enter the amount of link you wish to transfer, making sure to leave enough for any network fees. Phantom will show you an estimated gas fee. Review this before proceeding. Hit Confirm to initiate the transaction. You'll need to approve it with your wallet, and once it's broadcasting on the blockchain, keep an eye on the status. This usually takes a few minutes, depending on network congestion in 2025. Once the transaction is complete, hop back to Kucoin and check your account balance. Your Chainlink should appear shortly. Remember, always use this process on a secure network and never share your private keys. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.